Ever wondered how it feels to earn money while you're sleeping? Can a business truly run itself and make you rich? Today, we're uncovering the secrets of 10 amazing businesses that run themselves. Get ready to explore opportunities that could change your life forever. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more exciting content. Let's unveil these self-sustaining treasures. Introduction to self-running businesses. Imagine a business that's like a well-oiled machine, humming along smoothly, generating income with little need for your day-to-day involvement. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not just a fantasy, it's the reality of self-running businesses. These ventures are designed to operate with minimal supervision, leveraging automation, technology, and smart business models. But what exactly makes a business self-sufficient? Let's break it down. Automation. In today's digital age, automation is key. From automated customer service systems to sales processes, technology is enabling businesses to run efficiently without constant human intervention. For instance, did you know that, according to a study by McKinsey, about 45% of current paid activities can be automated by today's technology? That's a huge potential for efficiency, outsourcing, and delegation. Successful self-running businesses often rely on outsourcing or delegating tasks. This means hiring external agencies or individuals to handle specific aspects of the business, like marketing, accounting, or even management. It's about finding the right people to do the job so you don't have to. Passive income streams. These businesses often have a strong focus on creating passive income streams. This could be through products or services that require a one-time effort but continue to generate revenue over time, like ebooks, online courses, or rental properties. Scalability. Self-running businesses are often highly scalable. They can grow without a proportional increase in workload. For example, a digital product can be sold to thousands of customers without needing to recreate the product for each sale. Low-maintenance operations. These businesses are usually designed to require minimal ongoing maintenance. Think of a vending machine business. Once the machines are stocked and in place, they need little attention, but the cash keeps flowing. Now, why are these businesses so appealing? Well, they offer what many entrepreneurs dream of: financial freedom and flexibility. The ability to earn money without being tied down to a 9-to-5 routine. In fact, a survey by Forbes suggests that more than 70% of millennials are interested in owning their own businesses, with many seeking passive income sources for a better work-life balance. Vending machines. First up, vending machines. Yes, those colorful machines offering snacks and drinks are little gold mines. Why? Low maintenance, minimal supervision, and a constant demand for quick snacks. Imagine making money every time someone grabs a soda or a bag of chips. Isn't that a sweet deal? Laundromats. Next, let's spin over to laundromats. Ever thought doing laundry could make you rich? Laundromats are a classic example of a hands-off business. They require an initial investment, but think about it. Everyone needs clean clothes, right? With the right location, a laundromat can be a consistent source of income. Have you ever used a laundromat? Let us know in the comments. Car washes. Now, let's dive deeper into the sparkling world of car washes. Picture this: a line of cars, each leaving shinier than when they arrived. And the best part, you're earning money with every single wash. But what makes car washes such a brilliant self-running business? First, the demand. Nearly everyone with a car needs it washed at some point, right? In fact, did you know that in the United States alone, an estimated 8 million vehicles are washed at car washes every day? That's a lot of potential for steady income. But it's not just about the numbers. Car washes today are a blend of technology and convenience. Modern automated car washes use sophisticated systems that clean cars efficiently and quickly, reducing the need for manual labor. This means lower ongoing costs for you as an owner. And let's talk about the types of car washes. You have the traditional automated tunnel washes, where cars are pulled through a series of cleaning stations. Then there are self-service bays, where customers do the washing themselves, and touchless car washes, which use high-pressure water jets and detergents to clean the car without physical brushes. The initial investment can vary, from a more budget-friendly self-service bay to a fully automated tunnel wash system. But once set up, these businesses can be incredibly profitable. With proper maintenance and a good location, a car wash can become a community staple, attracting repeat customers who value a clean vehicle. Now, let's talk about rental properties. Real estate is a time-tested way to wealth. With good management, your properties can become a steady source of income. And with platforms like Airbnb, you can even turn it into a lucrative vacation rental business. Ever thought of being a landlord, switching gears to digital products, ebooks, online courses, stock photos, create once, sell forever? The digital world is booming, and there's a market for knowledge and creativity. What skills could you share with the world? Ever heard of affiliate marketing? Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale through your link. It's like being a salesperson but online and without the daily grind. Simple, right? Next up, dropshipping. This is e-commerce made easy. You sell products, but the supplier handles inventory and shipping. No stockpiling goods in your garage. Have you ever bought something from a dropshipping store? Blogging. Let's not forget blogging. Share your passion, build an audience, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise. It takes effort to start, but a successful blog can be a self-sustaining asset. What topics interest you? Automated agriculture and subscription boxes. Imagine a farm where plants grow almost by themselves with minimal human intervention. Welcome to the world of automated agriculture. This isn't science fiction. It's a reality made possible by technology. But what exactly is automated agriculture? It's the use of advanced technologies like hydroponics, aeroponics, and aquaponics, combined with automated systems for watering, lighting, and nutrient delivery. These systems can be monitored and controlled remotely, often via smartphone apps. Why is this exciting for entrepreneurs? First, it drastically reduces the labor needed to grow crops. You don't need to be a farmer with a green thumb. The technology handles most of the work. Second, it's incredibly space efficient. Automated agriculture can be set up in urban environments, rooftops, or small indoor spaces, making it accessible to many. And the market? It's growing rapidly. With the global population rising and arable land decreasing, the demand for innovative farming solutions is skyrocketing. Now, let's unwrap the concept of subscription boxes. This business model is all about delivering surprise and delight to customers' doorsteps on a regular basis. But what makes it a self-running business? Once you set up your supply chain and automate your ordering and delivery processes, the business can run with minimal oversight. Subscription boxes can cover a vast array of interests and needs, from gourmet foods, beauty products, books, to even pet toys. The key is to find a niche market with passionate customers. But here's where it gets interesting. The subscription model creates a predictable, recurring revenue stream. Customers sign up for ongoing deliveries, ensuring a steady cash flow. And the market? It's booming. The subscription box industry has seen explosive growth over the past few years, with more consumers valuing the convenience and personalized experience these boxes offer. There you have it, 10 amazing businesses that can run themselves. Which one caught your attention? Share your thoughts and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content like this. Until next time, keep investing in your dreams.